Hello YouTube. In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 4GB RAM 64GB storage variant. So let's get started. First of all, let's unwrap this box. Inside the box, we can see the phone itself. Some paperwork. And here we have the data cable, which is micro USB 2.0. And inside this box we have the charger, which is a regular 5V 2A charger. So here is the SIM ejector tool. We do also get a black case in this box. Here is the case. Black TPU case is a nice thing. Thanks Xiaomi for including this. Now let's set up the phone. By the time I set up the phone, here are the quick specifications of this phone. This phone runs on Nougat out of the box. On the bottom of the phone, we could see a micro USB port, a speaker. On the right side of the phone, you could see a power button and a volume button. On the top bottom of the phone, you could see headphone jack and an IR blaster. On the left, you could see the SIM tray. This is powered by the same Snapdragon 625 processor, which is good. It's almost 2-year-old chip. That's it. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't it already. Thank you.